We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment to quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.